Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. A few days ago, we uploaded a video on brinjal plant care. But even after that, we had one problem. Our plants were healthy and they bloomed, but the problem was that they did not give any kind of fruiting. Instead of fruiting, the flowers dried up and dropped. So as soon as my mom noticed this problem, my mom knew what to do. This is a common problem that occurs in brinjal plants. This may be because of lack of sunlight, heavy rain, or even the absence of the pollinating insects. You can easily do it by hand. Just tap on a flower like this by hand to mix the male and female pollen. You can easily do it by a soft brush as well. With this, make sure to keep in mind that your plant gets 7 to 8 hours of sunlight. Also, make sure that your plant has well-draining soil and sufficient slow-releasing compost. My mom always gives homemade kitchen waste compost to the plants. And instead of water, she prefers giving rice water. If you do hand pollination like this, you will be able to notice that your plants will have many fruits. After a few days, my mom saw these brinjals in her plant. Another problem that occurs that even after getting fruiting, there are some insect attacks. So as soon as you get fruiting, make sure to give some organic pesticides. Here my mom is spraying some bioenzyme. Instead of bioenzyme, you can also use neem oil. If you take care of your brinjal plants like this, then you will be able to get many brinjals. That too organic, which is free from any kind of chemical. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.